Are you here? All right. Before we go, all praise to Most High. Thank God is the greatest. All praise to Most High. Thank God is the greatest. All praise to Most High, and God is the greatest. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for you to watch this video right now. If this is your first time here, my name is Terry Titan. As what I'm saying that we are me and you. I'm always motivate you to thinking about and to get picture of the thing which you want. What do you want now? What do you want? I'm gonna ask you because this is the life what I want. See that beautiful place. You see this? Look where I am now. See this? Because of my picture that I live my life the better way now. You see? Look. You see? Oh, beautiful my life. All praise to Most High, thank God is the greatest. You see? Look. Look. Beautiful place. Beautiful. What I want to say is to you, yeah. This message is for you. Because every day you trying to work to somebody else, always hurry up to get a bus. Just picture you can sitting down to one place, you just sitting down, just to imagine the life which you want when you stressed out. At a time you stressed out, you just picture you are in the book like this. It may reduce your fear, right? It's gonna be reduce your fear. That's it. I mean that nowadays everybody online like this, everybody on social media, and everybody trying to depress you. That means to you. But now I'm always motivate you that live your life. That's why we are here on self-development. If you don't know, my name is Terry Titan. I come from the ghetto, man. I come from the ghetto, poor family. But I do my best life. And I live my best life. I'm more like rich people. That's the key. Moralize. If moralize, rich people do, and you do, rich people do, I think that you could be rich one day. That's what I'm doing now. I'm not smart. I'm not really intelligent. But I work on myself. That's why I'm here. I make this video to you. Work on yourself. Once you work with yourself, you start no complaining. No complaining. You just take full responsibility, and not only you take full responsibility, but also you see the light at the end of the tunnel. You see the light at the end of the tunnel. You got what I mean? All right. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I'm always motivate you to learn more. If you want to learn more about how to picture a better life inside of your box right here, your mind right here, there is a link below. That's Genesis 3. It is so vital. It is so powerful. I use it, and I manifest better life now. Look, you see this? This is the city of Tamatha. Tamatha city. Looks like you're far away. I learn, and I train, and I do. You feel like that. Got it? Alright. Thank you guys. I'm here to help you. Don't forget about that. I love you so much. I love you. That's why I record this video. Not me, but you. Okay, next time again, bye bye.